Alright, we got minnows. Minnows on the beach. Not sure if you can see them or not. But there was a school of them. We're gonna try some fishing.
They're coming back.
The new lake has begun. Alright, here's the water, or here's the spillway. And it's actually running just a teeny bit. So we are at max capacity right where we're sitting. Of course, me and Mrs. Kapper agree it'd be cool to build it up just a little more, another 6 inches. So I would have to add about a foot more of fill to that old dam in order to add about 6 more inches of water. The other side would be fine because they built that one 2 feet higher. But we'll see. It's not like I'm looking for things to do.
Okay, here was the line at the highest. And where it is right now. That's at least 3 inches.
Hey boys and girls, what can I say? Does it get any better than this? March 4th, laying on the beach. Cheers.
Oh, somebody just realized that her beach has been compromised. Oh, but she is gonna leave her mark again. Look at that. Looking for the right spot. Oh yeah, that one's good right there. Perfect. Nope, too small. Alright, bigger, deeper. Man, I hate that when it touches my butt.
What is going on over there?
Oh yeah.
Graham.
That's not Daddy's beach. That's my beach. Take that, Daddy. Mm-hmm. Hurry up, here he comes. Cover it up.
Seriously, kitty?
Cover it up, man.
Just like the kids almost.
There.
At least she covers it.
Sorta.